Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install face tracking on the Jordan avatar base. So first of all, you need the Polygon VCC face tracking template. Simply go to vcc.polygon.net, add to VCC, and in your creator companion you shall have the option Polygon VRC face tracking. Go ahead and add that to your Jordan project. And once added, simply go to your Unity project. There you go. Once it's done importing, simply go to your packages, Polygon VRC face tracking, and under prefabs, you would want to use the Polygon face tracking controller unified expressions. Now you would want to drag that onto your Jordan avatar. And you are done. Simply go ahead and upload it. Now keep in mind that the face tracking uses a lot of parameters, and that'll require you to have some free space on your parameters on the avatar. So yeah, it's as simple as that.